Well, hello. Now we are going to work on another resistor complex circuit. So the idea again is to get something that looks as crazy as this into something that's going to look simple. Something that would be one resistor and one power supply. So the idea is to find one point where you can see actually two things that are purely in series or purely in parallel. And looking through here, no, that's not purely in parallel because there's something going on over here. No, that's not purely series because there's something going on. So the only place that's actually just purely parallel or series is right here. These two 1 ohm resistors are purely in series. So you can simplify by turning these two 1 ohm resistors into one single resistor. And the resistance of that one single resistor would be 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay, now you have something else that's going to be purely parallel. You have two 2 ohm resistors that are now parallel together. Okay, and to get those two 2 ohm resistors simplified into one resistor, you would break it down, and you have two 2 ohm resistors, and so now that would turn into, again, this is two 2 ohm resistors, so that'll turn into 2 and 2 in parallel. Is, again, your shortcut is if you have two resistors that have the same value, then they are going to be that value divided by 2. If there were three resistors with the same value in parallel, you divide them by 3. Alright, so 2 divided by 2 is 1. And now you have a 1 ohm in series with a 1 ohm. 1 and 1 in series, again, you're just going to add them up. So you have a 1 plus a 1, you have another 2. Now we have a 2 ohm and a 2 ohm in parallel, and again, 2 and 2 in parallel, 2 of the same value divided by 2. So now we have a 1 ohm resistor down here. Okay, so we just keep going down the line. Okay, so now we have a 1 and 1 in series, so the 1 and 1 in series will become a 2. So we have down here 1 and 1 becomes a 2. Now we have a 2 in parallel with a 2. 2 in parallel with a 2 become a 1. Alright. Now we have a 1 and 1 in series again. 1 and 1 in series would become a 2. So we could replace this whole area here with, get rid of the whole thing. Get rid of that whole value. And we would get 2 in parallel with another 2. 2 in parallel with another 2 would be 1 again. So that the whole resistance of the circuit turned out just to be 1. Alright, that's it.